Right, well this is unintentional, but just how it's worked out. I've ended up with 4 Dole twins. 2 of them arrived this week. Still need restoration. This one arrived this morning. Twin cylinder Dole 340. Needs a paint up. Probably will paint this one. Got a nice little detail, gold details around the top here. It's had a bit of a wash, but nothing serious. But yeah, twin cylinder, twin boiler. That's the only model I've ever had with twin boiler. So that's quite a nice model. Got both its little burners. But it's quite a small machine. But I'm pleased with it because I've never had a twin boiler system before. It's missing, it's still seized. It moves that way and that way, but that's only moving on the crank. It's not moving the pistons, they're still seized. I'll sort them out. It's got flywheel missing. But other than that, it's pretty complete. So quite pleased with that one. This is my the Bing ship's engine. This one is a very eager model. Doesn't take much to get it going. Steam builds gently and off she goes. So that is my she was my first Dole twin, this one. I've got a Bing twin, but this one is a better machine, it's bigger. I'll go straight to the 362. Now this is a restoration job, but you'll see videos on this later. But it's a nice machine. It's quite a big twin. Big pistons. This is a full paint up. Literally is going to be a full paint up, this one. But it's complete. I've got to manufacture an end because someone's put some plastic end on there. But other than that, it's a nice machine. I've had it running, but you'll see the videos. And then we come to the creme de la creme, the big one. What an absolute beauty this is. It was bent, it was seized, and now it's not bent, not seized. It didn't have a chimney, no chimney. We've got the chimney there. It didn't have a burner. There's still a few jobs to do. I've got to do something with these flywheels. I can't leave them like that, but the plating's gone. So if you've been watching the videos, I haven't had this one very long. So it's still work in progress, but we're nearly there. Yeah, so it's only a quick video, but I ended up with 4 Dole twins. And I weren't expecting that, because a month ago I only had 1. This is a little cutie. It's a nice little detail on the top here. The old fake governor runs off a little drive in there. So there's going to be a series on restoring this one. Mini series, 3 or 4 videos. I've already done videos on that, but I'll do a video just of it running again. This one, there's probably a few more videos to come on this because I've got jobs to do. And there's going to be a series on this one. So it'll be a complete series on restoring this because I want this one really nice. Completely gone, look. Absolutely completely gone. In fact, they're so far gone, I think I should be able to take this off and send it off for plating. Because when they paint something, they have to strip it. Well, there's no paint left on it anyway. So I'll probably do that. But needs a glass in there. Yeah, it needs a repaint. Needs a complete repaint. But yeah, a little 5-minute video out in the sun with my Dole twins. If you like this sort of thing, guys, do like and subscribe. There's still series on that, series on the end, and the others will be running now and again as well. So I'll leave it there, and take care. Like and subscribe, and you'll see them all again soon.